midnight fandango, turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kind of seasick. The crowd called out for more. The room was humming harder as the ceiling flew away. When we called out for another drink, but the waiter brought a tray. And so it was later, as the miller told his tale, and that her face at first just ghostly turn a wider shade of pale. You said there is no reason, and the truth is plain to see. But I wandered through my blinkers and would not let it be. One of 16 vessel virgins who were leaving for the coast. And although my eyes were open, they might just as well been closed. And so it was later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned a wider shade of pale.